Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can customize your search bar design on your Wix.com website. So start off from the dashboard here, and you want to click on the top right-hand side here to edit your site. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected onto this. This is the Wix website editor. Now, for example, you have this search bar here. Just click on it. As you can see here, Wix size search, and then click on this brush icon, design. On design, there's a couple pre-made designs you can pick from. So for example, I want this design. I'm gonna click check on that. And then right now you can't see it, but give it a second and it'll load in. So there you go. I picked something more obvious for you to see. This is the black design. If you want to further customize your design, you can click on this button here, customize design, and you can pick the text, like the color, the text color, and the heading, the font. And for example, if I want to change it to the lobster font, you can change it like that. There's a lot of other options you can play around with as well, just like the fill, the border, the corners. But this is how you can change the design of the search bar.